Hello, myself, Sunil Ramakrishna. This is the next level. So, human person but yes, like this basically things are connected. So, like this basically you can secure basically American president basically. So, this kind of thing basically readable format basically is little bit lesser basically, but you have to read the stuff basically. You have to read the stuff basically, but more secure is display basically, which is getting that is basically the AI animation basically also you can say. But that basically whatever things basically you have basically readed basically that software have to read and immediately basically have to interact basically, or basically you have to categorize the reading basically, that this type of reading basically is done by this group, this type of reading basically is done by another group. So categorize also basically is possible, that will be more faster basically. But stuff basically are like this basically. So this whole thing also basically you can add in the how to create secure human souls basically. How to secure new human souls basically. How to secure human souls creation, how to create the secure human souls. This is basically something new topic basically which we are discussing. This thing basically connects to that 15 lakh liter oil also basically, which is produced by 5 lakh building basically, that is in Mumbai city, because that is also basically future basically. So this 5 lakh liter oil basically data are also inserted into this 20 crore child basically, which is going to come basically, and 20 crore child basically data come enters that data also basically, which is connecting to what. So American president basically is good, American president is bad, that data basically are inserted into this 20 crore child basically, which is getting processed basically in the nuclear power plant, and that basically you can see basically. So Mumbai city data, 5 lakh building basically is processing which all human, which all natural items, this all thing basically are comes into the picture. So next basically.